This is a Da Vinci Bridge. The Da Vinci Bridge is a self-supporting bridge designed by Leonardo da Vinci, an artist, an architect, a designer, and a mathematician. He lived in the later half of the 15th century, and he's as well known for his art as he is for his inventions. He is recognized for being the source of many modern marvels, such as the parachute, diving suit, armored tanks, flying machines, and even machine guns. Some of Da Vinci's famous artworks include the Unification, The Lady in the Urn, The Last Supper, and the Mona Lisa. One of Da Vinci's inventions that intrigued me was the self-supporting bridge he designed for the Roman army. It was a bridge that could be deployed extremely quickly and wouldn't require more than a few logs to be cut, and it could be quickly disassembled after the army had crossed. After doing some research on the bridge, I decided that I'd like to try and build one. I had all the material and thought I remembered how to do it. My first attempt at the bridge did not go very well. It did not exactly follow Da Vinci's plan. It was not nearly as simple as he originally intended it to be. So, after reviewing his original plan, I disassembled mine and modified it, and this is some footage I shot while doing that. after I had assembled it in my workshop, I tested it and then attempted to carry it outside. Yeah, fell apart on the way out, so then I set up again outside, brought everything outside, and built it over top of my pond in the backyard. This is some footage from that. I attempted to try and build it over top of the pond, but that didn't work too well. I'm not entirely sure how the Roman army would have done it, but this is some footage from that. I assembled it to the side and then just carried it over. That seemed easier for me. So how am I able to stand on this bridge? What allows me to do that? Well, I'll explain. The way the bridge is set up, all the forces come back to these 2 points right here. It acts as a sort of fulcrum, and when you apply any sort of load anywhere on the structure, whether it be at the very top or on your way over the structure, all the force ends up coming right back to here, and it wants to fold these two braces in, but because you've got something stopping it, they can't fold in, and then it puts weight on this, which then puts weight back onto the original member. I'm not quite sure how much more I can tell you about them, but the Da Vinci Bridge is quite cool. Most of the time you'll see them as pedestrian bridges. They're not very common because of just the expense they would be to build for something larger. There's just better ways of building bridges now, but for quick and dirty bridge to get the Roman army across a river, this was an excellent invention.